Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do another bloom in my green colors. This time I'm going to probably modify it more than I did the last time. We'll see how it turns out. So this is Glidden Premium, and this is runoff paint that I've scraped from other pours. I'm going to use it for a bloom. It usually works pretty good. Okay. A couple of bubbles to pop. All right. This is Sap Green by LOFT. I'm going to put this down first. I've got some green blue by AMSTERDAM. I just used this yesterday. It's already separated. Sometimes some of these paints separate. I've got some PERIDOT green. And I've got Phthalo green by Winsor and Newton and leaf green by LOFT mixed together. I'll put this one next. This is the Phthalo green. And this one is PERIDOT metallic decor. It's pretty nice and shiny, this one. I like it. So I'll use my white. Stir my black. Actually, this is Payne's Gray. Here's my mini blower, world's smallest blower. Some pretty cells there. Try and wait for the middle to settle in the middle. It's not level, it's concave. Oh, I like how that blue comes through nicely. Come on, middle. Calm down now. Whoops. So with this, I need to put some paint underneath, just to help it stay stuck. This one has more blue showing than the other one that I did, which I really like. Where did I put it? I'll show you it. Look at the difference. Same colors, probably less blue in this one, but look how pretty that is. They're both pretty. I just want to poke some of these out before I spin it. I did say I was gonna swirl more in the middle, didn't I? I don't really want to. I did come closer. You can see where I did come closer, so. Okay, I think I need a little bit more, might add some more white paint here. That should be good. Let's give this a spin. And I need some more paper towel. All right, let's spin this. See how my center is. Go the other way. Some rare bubbles. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. Pretty much. I think it's, oops. Let's see if it's moving at all. It's moving a little bit. I'm gonna go again. Colors are so rich. Okay, so let's give it a try. I think it's pretty good now. One last spin for good luck. All right, I'll hold it up for you. Looks pretty, doesn't it? I like the blue in there with the green. It's really nice. Thanks for watching my video. Please come back to Carol's Art Room. And if you're interested in any mixing videos, I have a couple of mixing videos. In the description under my video, there's a couple of links for mixing my pouring medium and mixing my cell activator and mixing pigments if you're interested in pigments. I do pigments sometimes too. So give it a look, and yeah, might help you out. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tile with the green and the blue. Dried pretty good, but I've got a couple of separations where my cell activator was. So it only has done this with my Payne's Gray cell activator. I don't know why. Actually, I mixed two Payne's Grays together. So I don't know, maybe it's the two together didn't work out. So I'm going to scrap that Payne's Gray and see what else I can come up with. But I'll fill that in and then I'll resin it and it'll be fine. But it's really pretty. I really like it. It's good up here. Just a couple down at the bottom. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.